ายดี All New Chevrolet Colorado ข้าพเจ้าโจเอเวนเจอร์มื้อนี้ข้าพเจ้าจะพาท่านผู้ชมมาฟังประสบการณ์ของผู้ที่นำไส้ All New Chevrolet Colorado ไปกันเลย
As soon as we drove into Laos, our first impression was very nice because of the people, because of the cities that is very organized and clean, and also because of the beautiful nature that you have here.
This car have many systems for control. I like very much two controls: the collision, the anti-collision system, and the stability. I like two systems: the anti-collision systems and the stabilized control.
Find new roads. Chevrolet.